If you require an extremely versatile low-impedance power amplifier for installation purposes, you can stop your search. Introducing the Intusonic IntuForce 2SDL160 stereo audio utility amplifier, rated at 2 × 150 watts RMS. This well-appointed amplifier has a minimal front-facing user interface to keep unwanted fingers at bay, offering visual feedback on both the left and right channel overload status, and a protect LED for when being overdriven. The rear is a system integrator's dream. We see left and right Combi XLR, 1/4-inch jack inputs, and XLR link outputs which can be configured for larger cascaded systems thanks to a pre-post volume switch. Input and outputs have the option to use the terminal strip connections too. Each channel offers 2-band EQ and level adjustment, and a signal forwarding switch means the 2SDL160 can operate as a dual stereo and mono amplifier with ease. Each channel is also home to a 100 Hz high-pass filter switch for smaller connected loudspeakers. A mute contact that can be used for emergency purposes where separate evacuation systems are installed, and finally, silent and cool operation thanks to convection cooling, increasing reliability. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.